How to change your video background as a pro, just like this, or like this, or even like this. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lord Frank, and I'm your host today. And I'll be teaching you how you can be able to change your video background as a pro. I know many of you will be wondering, how come? Why is my background so neat like this? How is my? I'm not using any green wallpaper or any green chroma. This is just my background. You can see my background is just plain. So this background I'm using now is just fake background. So my background is just plain. I'm going to teach you people how I was able to edit or to change my background using hacked CapCut. This CapCut I'm using is just a hacked one, and I'll be teaching people how I did so. So now let's begin on the process. First of all, you have to click on your CapCut. Yeah, once you click on your CapCut, you go to new project, click on new project, you click on photos. Once you click on your photos, you go and import the background you want to use. So let us import the background we want to use. Now you now click add, so it will be loading. So after you now click overlay, you click add overlay, you now go and click video and click the video you want to add. So let us click the video. So you tap the video, you make sure that the background is the same length with your video. So let's extend the background. It's too much. So once we are done extending the background, so it's done for us to do the needful. Let's do the needful. So first of all, let us trim. Let us do something like, let us adjust the video. It's too long. Let's adjust the video. Let us cut, cut some parts out of the video. Yeah. So we make our video to look good. But then so you go and click remove remove BG, yes. And once it load, you click auto click and you click remover. It will click, you see background remover, it has done. You click OK. Now you have to make it to fit in the background. You can either zoom or just make it to fit in on the background you're using. So we are done with that. So let us export. Let's export. So let's export. So you see our video has been exporting and it's down 90 something and done. So let us go to it has been done. So let us go to our file, click on file manager, you click on video, and now let us watch the video what we just edited from YouTube. You see, straight to your phone. Very simple. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zealous Frank. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video interested, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and like, comment. If you want me to treat any matter for you, or if you want me to treat anything for you, likely just comment on the comment section and I'm going to treat it for you. So see you guys next time on our way. I still be your host, Zealot Frank. Thank you.